This is Monroe speaking on behalf of Valerie. She says that it's a short video. Okay, so I love you. Okay, bye-bye, guys. All right, Norm, it's time to go do laundry. Let's try to not make me look stupid, okay? Let's just give it a shot, Norm. No entiendo inglés. Yes, you do. No. Ah, son of a gun. This laundry place is way closer than the last laundry place I went to. Hi. Can you see me in the washer? It's doing the spin part. Come to Barcelona with me, she said. It'll be beautiful, she said. Hey guys, I'm a cat again today. Something that I have noticed about the people in Barcelona. They're not very friendly people. I don't know if I need to get out of where I am, but even when I get out of, I'm back heading towards Exemple-esque. And there's just, people don't move out of your way on the street. They don't acknowledge you to move out of your way on the street. They don't smile. Even if I smile, I don't really get one back. Again, you know, listen. No decisions have to be permanent. I've not been here long enough to make this decision, but I know that Sevilla could pique my interest. Someplace could be beautiful and magical and perfect, but if it's not, if the people don't work for you, it doesn't matter how pretty it is. So meanwhile, immediately after that, a woman at a cafe said, "Are you a cat?" And I said, "Yes." And basically, she was like, "Okay, great then." So that was kind of a cute little way to get me out of the mood if I was in one. I feel like you should know that all of these conversations I'm talking to you about are happening in Spanish. So I don't want you to think that I'm not getting by language-wise here, so you can feel pretty good about that. Okay, I'm back at this place again. I shouldn't be, but it's so delicious. Oh, I do. So I'm heading out and walked out the door almost in my slippers. I almost leaved in my slippers, like Barcelona's Walmart. And I don't even go to Walmart. It's Saturday night, so we are about to do some very exciting stuff. We have to recharge our phone. Not recharge battery-wise, but my data-wise. I need toilet paper. And I'm gonna need nail polish remover because it is time for me to bust these toes. So, what are you doing on your Saturday night? I have to go to a supermarket to get toilet paper. I can bring you into my supermarket. You can see where I go pretty much on the daily. But first, let's go do things. Remember that amazing Euro place that I went to the other night? Oh yeah, my hair's looking great. It's packed right now. I was thinking maybe I want a Euro, but I don't want one. Look. I feel like there might be, I don't know, it seems awfully late for a cruise to be here, but I guess Saturday night would be a good night to be touristy. Okay, so I have, I've done everything but purchase the toilet paper, and I'm just walking around because I can. And wasabi are you doing? I don't know. Wasabi are you doing? I mean, not for nothing, but my supermarket is the place to be. Woo-hoo. Here we are in my everyday supermarket. I haven't really been on these shelves so much, but I do come in here, and this is where I get my leche. They have, you know, your stereotypical, you know, stuff that you would find in America. And it's a supermarket, for the love of God. So, and I come here for my water. I'm sending this to my friends. I'm gonna get a water. Hi! Every day we see each other. And a lot of times I'll get some of this, but I'm not today. And we need toilet paper. Oh, they only have the little kind. Okay, this is the kind.
This is where the story gets good.
Happy Sunday morning. I'm meeting a human being. How do you like that? I met a handful of people at that language exchange a couple of weeks ago. And I'm meeting one of them at the Placa del Pi for a market that comes around, like I just guessed, once or twice a month. So, and then we'll grab a cup of joe or whatever. It's a beautiful morning. Because it's beautiful in Barcelona. Here, I'll show you. As a Floridian, no leaves on trees is weird to me. So anyhow, we'll see if I get some stuff from the Placa del Pi. I don't necessarily want to be that person videoing, you know, when you're hanging out with someone you don't know. Any hoodle. All right.
Hola.
Look how pretty. Hola.
Negro, blanco y con leche, ¿vale?
Okay.
Son elaborados por nosotros.
Oh my gosh. It's, okay guys, this is delicious. Welcome to the Parc de la Ciutadella. It is a park on the northeastern edge of Ciutat Vella, Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain. For decades following its creation in mid-19th century, this park was the city's only green space. This is the Arc de Triomphe in Barcelona. Like, there's seriously never not a line at this place. It's like the Cheesecake Factory of my block. No freaking way. Oh, solo meow. I can't with you, lady. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to an actual yoga class. I've not been to an actual yoga class since the pandemic. So this place looks like it might want to kick my ass, which I could use. And yeah. Let's go do yoga because we're in Spain. They needed cash. I didn't have cash. But they've got another power class tonight at 7. Did I go the wrong way? I'm gonna end up in Madrid. But I guess I go to my fruiteria so much that the woman who owns it asked me if I would watch the place while she went to the bathroom, which I think is fantastic. And I also asked her how much the grapes were, and she wouldn't let me buy them because she said, no, they're too expensive and they're not very good right now. So I love my fruit lady. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this again. Going to yoga. I'm going to the 7 p.m. class. I considered doing tomorrow morning, but I gotta get this shit did. So hopefully it'll be delightful and they won't make me die. So I tried to go to my yoga class that I thought that I'd be able to sub. And I couldn't take it because it was full, so it looks like I am going tomorrow. And I've probably gotten about 3 miles in. Oh, that's a great bag. I mean, seems useless. Okay, anyway. There's a lot of tall guys out tonight. Okay, this has gone from cute to just plain embarrassing to pull out. I think it's time for a kitty cat butthole burial and a replacement that I now need to find. Grocery puppy. Super Larry, please tell us how you feel about this kitty litter. Well, I look like a lurry. I love scratching my face on the box. But Mommy said it smelled like booty stuff. Oh, but that bored me. She bored me, that woman's. Oh, yeah. Love this box. Love this box. So, yeah, it's Monroe again. Don't know why Mom is making me do this, but subscribe, click like. Okay, meow.